welcome back to the channel. So last time we did the rear dashcam video, and in that video I didn't show how to secure the cables on the roof. So I thought I'd make this video to secure the cables across the roof so they doesn't interfere with the curtain airbags. Alright then, so I've now changed the direction and skips the A pillar entirely. So now I'll just secure the cables all the way down. Alright guys, so I have now secured the cable behind the airbags. And I've used some tape to make sure it doesn't fall down. Now we'll secure the roof again. Alright, so that was that for this video, and here's just a recap of what I've done. So the route of the cable skips the A pillar. It goes directly inside the roof, and from there I can slide the cables under the airbag and secure it behind it. And I did want to make this video since it is a very important step when routing cables through the roof so that they doesn't interfere with the airbag in case of an accident. If you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.